Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been gone for so long, but it's just been so much going on, good and bad, but I feel like I'm back to myself and I am going to get back to doing what it is that I love to do, and I promise to be more consistent. Every Saturday, Sunday, I hope to put out a video, and thank you guys for just sticking with me and being around, because it's just been a lot, sis. Like, it's been a lot, but we're just gonna go with the flow. I'm only gonna be using one palette today, and it is going to be the 35B palette by Morphe, and these have beautiful colors in it, so you really only need one palette. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. Now for brows, I always use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. So you guys, there's been like so much going on in my life. Like, the month of April was just like a shit show. Well, not really a shit show, because it was my birthday, so I did have a great time for my birthday, but other than that, it was pretty much a shit show. Like, and what happened? So as I'm turning up for my birthday, having a great time, somebody is just taking money off of my card. Like, I'm turned up and somebody else is turned up too, because they getting free money. You ever like have a feeling about something? Like, I woke up and I was like, let me check my card. Like, let me make sure I'm still good. You know what I'm saying? And my damn money was gone. So my eyebrows are all done. That was like very stressful for me. I haven't done my eyebrows in weeks, and so now I think that my hands are just they're not cooperating with me. So I'm gonna go in with some LA Pro Girl Conceal to put on my eyelids, as per usual, never switching it up. And I'm gonna put a good amount on my eyelids, that way the colors that I use really pop. Go ahead and set my eyes with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and this is in the color Medium Deep. Okay guys, now I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B palette. First, go in with this this really light purple, and this is a new brush that I'm using. This is from a BoxyCharm, and it's by S.L.A.Y Miss Glam. I've never really heard about that company before, but the brushes are super cute. Like, they're really cute. So the first thing that I noticed about this brush is that it's really, really, really soft, but it's almost soft to the point where the color isn't really showing up. Like, I feel like it's just too soft. It's not dense enough. But we're going to try to work with it anyway. So far, it's blending out pretty well. I will say that. You just have to go back in a couple of times to get more product. So if that is a problem with you, then this brush may not be the best. And I know it's not the palette, because I've used this color before, and I didn't have to go back into the palette that many times to pick up the color. I'm going to go in with this purple color right here, and I'm just going to put that right under the color that I already have on my lids. You're going to go in with this really dark purple down here. I'm going to take this orange now right here and go right behind that yellow. Put on my eyeliner, and as per usual, I'm going to use my Mary Kay eyeliner, so I'll be right back. So now that I have my eyeliner on, I'm going to take the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner, and it's just in the color silver, and I'm going to put it over that black eyeliner. So now moving on to my face, I am going to be using the S.L.A.Y Unicorn Essence, and I finally got my hands on this. Y'all, I was not trying to pay $54 for no damn unicorn essence, okay? So I bought the small one, and if I like it, then I will invest in it, but I wasn't doing that. So we're gonna put a little bit of that on our face. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And it feels really good so far. And now I'm going to color correct, and I always use a brown concealer first just because it does a better job for me. So I'm going to take a little bit of concealer. Y'all, I got the biggest pimple ever. Like, I'm just not understanding this. And I'm going to put it where I have dark marks. And pimples because they seem to want to come out to play today. And I'm gonna use a Dry Beauty blender and blend it out. I don't think I am. I look crazy as hell, but it's alright. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to spray some setting spray on it. And the setting spray I'm using is the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, which I need to get some more because I really do like it. And today for foundation, I'm going to go in with MAC, and it's in the color NW50. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to conceal under my eyes, my chin area, Cupid's bow, and down the center of my nose. And I'm going to take a Dry Beauty blender, and I've been doing this lately. I know like the makeup gods are crying right now, but I honestly feel like the Dry Beauty blender doesn't soak up any product. It blends just as well, as you can tell. I'm gonna go in with this Ulta contour kit. I'm gonna use the colors Goddess Bronzer and Golden Bronzer, which are these two shades, and I'm gonna mix the two. And I'm not going into like too much detail with contouring. I'm just gonna go around the perimeter of my face. I'm going to set with my Laura Mercier setting powder. And now I'm going to spray this Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray just to get some moisture back into my face. I'm going to go in with this yellow shimmer shade right here, and I'm going to put that in the corners of my eyes. I really love this Becca highlighter. However, sometimes it comes up like a little ashy on me, so I'm not sure. We're gonna see. But it's very pretty. It's like a real cute, hey boo, how you doing type highlighter. I'll be wanting a different type, so I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills glow kit, and I'm gonna use the shade Bronzed, and I'm just gonna go over that a little bit. Let me see, because I might have to put a little bit of Anglola. Anglola is just that highlighter that you just always resort back to. You know what I'm saying? For some extra like, ooh, just a little bit. Alright guys, so I have a little secret. I feel like my makeup look is not complete without Anglola from the crayon case. I'm just gonna show you guys the lid. I don't feel like it's complete. Like I don't feel like anybody should be glowing this much. Like, girl, bye. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So if you like to, please give this video a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below. And also, I think you should subscribe. Like, I don't know why you wouldn't. I mean, I wouldn't understand why you wouldn't want to subscribe. The button is like right there. I don't know where it is, but it's right down there somewhere, so you might as well just click it. Please follow me on all my social media platforms. Instagram, it's Mone't_. Follow me on Snapchat at Msmeme4510. And also follow me on Facebook at Monet James. And I also have a little makeup group, so I hope you guys would love to join that. And thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.